Well, YouTube and Wikipedia are the two things. Well, I'm mainly searching for like help and.
A lot of people are actually very interested in hardware development.
Yep.
Even a lot of engineers. And to be completely honest, in the West, right? Even in US or in Hong Kong or whatever, university usually mostly nowadays will focus on software development because that's the thing that's easy for the economy or to build companies, right? Because if you do hardware, you know that you cannot build something the same price as in US versus China, right? So you know that you have to do it in China, like in Shenzhen, right? So I have a question for you. Would be like, what kind of advice you would give to like a software developer who want to go to hardware? So what should they learn first?
Well, now YouTube.
Okay, good.
So basically, I learned a lot from YouTube as well. Well, YouTube and Wikipedia are the two things. Well, I'm mainly searching for like help and researchers. Yeah.
So in terms of what do you think they should get started with? What kind of hardware should they get started with? Like something that is easy for them to get started. Yeah.
So for now, with the availability of like Arduino and Raspberry Pi, people could like learn from this first and then like start to build on top of that. And also this Sid Studio making some starter things. I think I have one here. So it's like,
beginner kit for Arduino. Yeah, that's nice.
Kit,
okay.
So it's pretty easy. Like you just hook on this. I think I can show you.
Go ahead.
This sensors.
Oh, they have everything. Yeah.
And you could just use the cable and hook it up and learn from the sample. So this is their main controller board.
Yeah.
So with cables like this, and just plug in, and you don't have to worry about the power, the issue like before. Like you could like connect the power wrong, connect the wrong.
Yeah, because it's all within one box, right? Yeah. So
something like this will be
the thing is, I see a lot of nowadays, even some secondary school students, they use something called the Lego Mindstorm. Have you ever heard of it?
Yep. Yeah.
What do you think about like using those versus using something more? I feel like Arduino and Raspberry Pi is more realistic, but I don't know. What do you think?
Well, I think for young kids, they start with actually learning the logic behind like programming and stuff. So. And it's hard for them to learn like real coding. So I think Lego and Lego and what's the other one called? The Scratch code.
Yeah, Scratch.
Or make code. So this kind of drag and drop thing could teach them a little bit logic behind programming. But later.
You have to type command. You have to type command later. Yeah, right.
So and then later for middle school and high school students, they should start to learn a little bit coding, because and also there's math skill in as well. Like you need to have a little bit math skill to be able to code something like complex.
Beyond the coding parts, because you're doing hardware, I feel like you also have to know a little bit about soldering and all that stuff, right?
Yeah, for that as well. That's a little bit high. I think high school physics could cover that, but still you need to know.
Yeah, also you need to know a little bit about AC/DC as well, right?
Yeah.
All the current not fry stuff. Anyway. Yeah.